Hey everyone, it's your favorite girl back at it again. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shahad. Thank you guys so much for watching again. So today's video, as you can see, I'm already ready to go nowhere, but to answer some questions. I post on last video, also post on YouTube wall or something, and I told you guys to answer my questions because it's a Q&A, right? So I have a bunch of questions. Some are good, some are not, some are mean, which we don't care. So yeah, let's get ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Because I am. First question is from the internet is not working. Can you find a home? I've been looking for that someone. I never made it on my own. Sonny. Okay, so first question is from okay, here we go. First question is from Shamal Isa, and she says, can you do challenges with your family because I love them? Thanks, they love you too. At least I do. I don't know. I don't think I will, because this channel is gonna be only focusing on me because I need the attention. But it's only gonna be me, and it's just gonna be makeup and stuff. Second question, when will you visit United Arab Emirates? This is actually the country that I was born in. UAE. Yes! And Dubai. Yes, Dubai. Yes, yes. UAE. Yes, yes. I love UAE, and my sister-in-law lives there because she is married to a local there. So yeah. And to answer your question, will I be visiting UAE soon? I don't know. I don't really know, because I don't know. I don't plan things for the future. Next question, same person. So my daughter broke something and she's actually screaming around the house. My daughter is just... And she also says, are you gonna do giveaways in the future? Of course, duh, that's what I'm here for, to do giveaways. And by giveaways, I mean I'm giving away free hugs and love. If you really want that. For real, I will do giveaways. Of course I will. Thank you. Next questions are from Nawal, my friend. Girl. She asked, which day is your birthday? My birthday is on 18th of May, 1991. What is your favorite singer? Well, before I was married and had a kid and had an actual life, I was a stan for Lady Gaga. Like, I still love her though. I have a lot of faves at the moment, but you know, I said before that I don't really have like a favorite singer, a favorite song, my favorite artist, because it depends on my mood, you know? And today's mood is Ariana Grande, because it's gonna be always like that. So yeah, okay. How old are you? I'm 27. Does it look like I am 27? I think I do. Anyway, thank you. Next, Sois, I don't know, asks, what does success mean according to your experiences? I don't know what that means. Success is success. I mean, I don't know what I'm saying. I mean, do you really? I think she's asking what does success mean to me or something, because I don't really know. That is that. The last question, do you live a life or live a lie? I live a lie. Thank you. Next, Shamal Isa again says, can you do vlogs on your channel? No, I don't think I will do. I'm not good at vlogging. I don't really do that. I don't know how to. I fail. So I don't think so. Thank you. Next, Saja says, where are you living now? I live in Cambodia. I lived in Thailand for like 5 years, and now I moved to Cambodia because every 5 years we relocate our living situation, I guess. Thank you. Next, at Tuha Beauty channel. Hi TT channel. Who's your favorite beauty guru on YouTube? Oh my god. Let's just sit down because I have a lot. So I really have like a lot of new faves. There's Ellie, I think she's British. I love her so much. She's so talented, you guys. And also Ren, I'm gonna call her Ren. She's from Norway, and she is so talented that I could cry every time I see her looks. I can never get to her level. Also my faves are Nikki Tutorials, Tati, Glam Life Guru. She is my favorite. Tati and Jacqueline Hill are my faves that I just want to go and live with. Like, I think if I went to the US and just knocked on their door, I'm gonna be invited, because that is what I think. I love them. Who else? Oh, Thomas Halpert, of course. She's so funny. James Charles. We love a sister. Jackie Aina. Oh, I love her. She is so funny. You know, whenever I'm feeling down, I actually go to Jackie Aina's channel. She lifts my spirits. I learned from something really nice from her. She says, like, if you see something nice, you know, a girl, she has nice hair, she has nice skin, she has nice skills, Why don't you point it out to her? And I was like, yes, we need a lot of people to do that more often, you know, other than talking to you and making fun of you and making you want to kill yourself. Why not be nice? You don't know, because you might make someone's day, or you like want to say something good about another person's appearances. Why not make it? Because it can make their day, you know. I know it does for me, so why not do that more often? And this is what I want to tell you: be nice to everyone. This is why I keep saying be kind, be nice to everyone. You don't know whose life gonna be changing to the best, of course. So always be nice. Don't be rude. It's gonna take, stop it, don't do that. Van der Woodson says, my question is, what do you do in your free time? This, basically. And of course, chores. We don't have maids. Back in our country, there's a lot of maids. Big families have like 10,000s of people helping them, but no. In our house, nuh-uh. We do things our way. We do it ourselves. You know, what's your skincare routine? I will do a video for my skincare routine because a lot of people have been asking, because your girl has good skin. Thanks for that anyway. First step is genes, and not these genes. I mean genes genetically. Both sides of the family, my father and my mother, have like good skin. Yeah, thanks mom. Thank you. Next. Ooh, Shush has so many questions. We're gonna answer them. Everyone is different. Everyone likes the difference about their personality. So what do you see in yourself that makes you different? Ooh, that's a nice question. I don't think I have a favorite thing about myself, because a lot of the time I actually hate myself, and that is okay. But sometimes, you know, you feel okay with yourself. I don't have to be honest, I don't think I have a favorite thing about my personality, because most of the time I'm just like so nice in not a good way. You know what I mean? I'm so naive, not in a good way. Also, I just have to learn that being nice does not mean you have to kill yourself. Like if I just have a walk outside and someone will come up to me and say, I'm so sad, can you please do me a favor and kill yourself? I'll be definitely yes, and I go through myself and die for them. This is what I do, and I don't really like that. So there's a lot of hates in my personalities that there's no quality about myself that I like that much, that I would like to prove it, you know? Other than that I'm so crazy in a funny way. That is me. Which, by the way, a lot of people say,
stop pretending to be this funny girl.
Honey, you don't know me. I'm way crazier than this. This is like the titty bitty bit of what you're saying. I was born crazy. My middle name is Crazy, honey. So yeah. What is your plan in life? Like the goal, you may say. My goal for now is to be healthy, more healthy. I'm trying being vegan. I'm trying to be the best for my daughter. When you have a child, your whole perspective in life changes, and you have more certain things that you're looking for. And I just want the best for my daughter right now, and I just want to show her that this world can be toxic, but you know, also don't be crazy like me, like how naive I am. I don't want her to be this kind of person, because people don't deserve that. Third question, what is something you have read or heard that has stuck with you for a long time? Is it about me? Because if it's about me, I don't pay attention that much to what people say, because trust me, I have heard so much. I mean, a lot of things have been thrown in my face that I just learned to ignore that. No, but seriously, I don't pay attention. It's just mainly the nicest things in life, like be kind to one another, or make a change, try and be a better person, and there's a lot of things, because you know, you learn every day, you learn something new every day. But I just always try and read the positive things. Those positive things stick in my mind for a long time. Next question, what was the best year of your life so far? When my daughter was born. My daughter is my second child. I have first born. Oh god, he's not well. He wasn't well since he was born, so that was not a very good experience in my life. I might talk about that later. But yeah, the best, that doesn't mean that I love him less. It just the whole experience, the whole thing that I went through was awful, and I still do feel awful. You know, what happened to him has left a big hole in my heart. Like, my heart is not full at the moment. It will never be the same again. My heart is and will always be missing because of him. He is the love of my life though, but I wish he has never had to go through this. And knowing that I could not help or change that even makes it worse. That is why my heart is literally half a heart. You know what I mean? We don't want to cry. And what do you find hilarious but most people don't find funny? Yeah, that's a nice question. Me, I guess. I think sometimes I'm crazy and I'm hilarious, and I think that I make jokes that are funny, but some people find annoying. And last, what's your favorite thing to shop for and why? Makeup. It helps. For me, I just like to shop. I think makeup mostly, just see what's new, what's not. Even if you still have a lot of makeup, there is never enough makeup. Also, I would like to add like my new current favorite YouTubers, Emma Chamberlain and Antonia Garcia. These two girls are so funny that I just want to do a whole video with them. But they made me love to do videos more, you know what I mean? And love editing and stuff. Thank you. Next, Eligo says, what do you use for your skin? And I hope you do a skin routine video. I will. You just have to wait. Are you coming back to acting in the future or not? It's a nah for me, girl. Nuh-uh. I don't think I'm ever gonna go back to act. In Hollywood, maybe. You don't know what's coming for me. You don't know, trust me. No, nothing's happening, but you don't know what's gonna happen. That's what I'm saying. I might work on these because I'm actually finding these at backdrops. Also, some of them are stating that these are my bed covers. Are you serious? Like, I would actually hang my bed covers on the wall? No, I'm not that cheap. And last but not least, people have been asking me a lot where you're from, where you live and all of that. I am from a very small country called Kuwait. It's a very small country. It's this big. You can actually walk and finish my country in like 2 days. That's it. That's all we have. My mother and father are also from Kuwait, but I have been living my life outside. I lived in London for 12 years, and then I moved from London. I went to UAE. We moved to Malaysia after that. We lived 4 years, and then we went back to Kuwait a couple of years, stayed there, and then moved back to Thailand, which was of course 6 or 5 years ago. And now I am here in Cambodia, living in the middle of literally nowhere. I call this country a lonely planet for some reason, and I think I know why. But it is a very lovely place. I'm loving it. The people are so nice around here. And also, if you like this look, if you want a tutorial, make it to 1 million likes, because that is how much it takes for me to make a tutorial. 1 million likes, and I'll give you a tutorial on this look. Also, my next video will be a skincare routine, and I assure you that this will not be sponsored, so I will be telling you the whole truth, because I know how it kind of like some people get sponsored by certain brands and they have to make it seem that they actually, even if I was sponsored, I'm still gonna say what I like and what I don't, because I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do it the Tati way, and that is that. That is that, girl. That is that. That is it. That is the whole thing. If you like this video, you know what to do. You like this video, you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Next, yeah. Be nice to everyone. Be kind to everyone. If you like something, point it out. It's not hard to be nice. And just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. That is it for me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching, and for today's shout out goes to Heidi. She is here on YouTube and she has so many beautiful videos. She has tutorials, mask reviews, everything makeup related, and also skincares. She also does videos in Spanish, so please be sure to check out her channel and subscribe to her, and just tell her I said hi.